So, guys, directly here into want to launch a merch store without the $40 per month headache. Well, the Big Cartel and the Printify are the perfect pair for this year. So, one is a sleek gallery style shop, the other handles your printing and the shipping automatically. So, you're going to be needing to pay Big Cartel plan to unlock integrations. So, you're going to be focusing to get started without losing money on orders. So, the first thing directly to do here into the Big Cartel is to go for the option that says get started and look out for the option that says gold. Now, if you choose, for example, the element that says free, you won't be having access to support for promoting discounts, print shipping, and customize your sub design. But still, you can use the free version if you wanted to get started. Now, here what you wanted to do is just to enter your account to generate a own. And here you wanted, of course, to enter a passcode really quick, agree to the terms and services, and key into the option that says get started. Meanwhile, this process is now being done. What you wanted to do is to go directly into your store of the Printify, so we can now connect both accounts directly inside that. So in my case, I'm going to continue with Google account directly from Printify, and we're now going to be inside there. Now, Big Cartel doesn't pull live rates from Printify. You have to create shipping profiles manually for each product type. So what you want to do is to look up for your product shipping cost into Printify. Assuming, for example, that you have already getting started with one product, I'm going to go directly here into my products. So here, you wanted to select that specific product. For a t-shirt, for example, this might be $5 for the first item and $2 for the additional item. So for the shipping cost, for example. So once you have now set it up, the listing details, which usually appears here into the shipping elements. Now, and the Big Cartel, you want to create a profile name shipped. I'm going to go for the option that says let's go directly here into the Big Cartel. You wanted to enter the last. Now, if I go for shipping, usually I can start adding a new profile. And the profile here should be named, for example, shirts, and you wanted to enter and actual, let's say, for example, everywhere, save. There we go. And here into this region, I'm gonna go for adding the actual rate. So the price for the first item order, since this one is MXN, I'm gonna go for 80, which is almost $4 to $5, like this. Save my rate, shirts, save the rate, and you can name this as standard, for example, so customers know what to expect, right? So don't forget the international. I add this everywhere, but you can just go for international. You can add anywhere else. Rate you done stuck paying $20 shipping for an order from fans for you only charge $5, right? So what you want to do now is to pick your product, upload your art, and choose your print provider. In the 2026 now is going to be really easy with that element. When you hit publish, Printify sends the title, description, and markups to the Big Cartel instantly. So if I go back directly into the Printify, and if you try to add your new store, which in our case should be Big Cartel, you select the element that says Big Cartel, go for continue, and it says name your new store. Let's say that in this case I'm going to go for Express Cartel Connect, and this will be sending us directly into the connection between Big Cartel and the Printify. So go for allow the connection, and just like that, the process will be now appearing indirectly in here. As I just told you, the Big Cartel needs, of course, to make the upgrade in order to install Printify. What the actual cost of the Cartel is? In this case, we will be needing the platinum version, which is $15 per month, which I think is going to be really low price if you want to stick around, for example, for only making some print on demand. But once you have successfully done this process, you can go back directly here into the Big Cartel, go for the option that says product, and start by adding a product. For example, a physical product. You can choose an image and drag directly inside here. Basically, that element from Printify will be sent directly here into the Big Cartel. Now, a crucial step is that once the product is directly inside the Big Cartel, you want to open and assign that for the profile we have generated before. So if you don't, the Big Cartel might default to the free shipping, which kills your actual profit. You want to take that in mind. And then you can go back directly here into the Printify settings, and you can focus directly into the order approval, into the store settings. Usually it appears here into the order settings, and you can check out the order approval. You can go directly for automatically. This gives you an hour to fix any customer typos, for example, before the order is sent to the printer. So when somebody buys you from the shop, Big Cartel tells you Printify, Printify touches your card, and the product is shipping without the lifting of the finger. So this is how we can actually make this process really fast. As you can see, you might need to have an actual paid plan for Big Cartel from Printify, but since we already have a few in the past elements from the catalog, basically we don't have to do almost anything directly inside of it. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully we can all see you well next time.